all, I would like to speak and allow me to introduce myself. My name is Manuela Bete Gonzalez Jerry. On behalf of English Study for Everyone, before I leave, I will open out kind respect for excellent director of Sehobo with Structures, Excelentísima Focal Point Entidad Manufahi, excellent director of Sehobo Manufahi or representative, excellent Vice Council Presidente Sehobo, excelentísima Media Manufahi, excellent director Foundation Luta Bajo Futuro or representative, excellent Bank Manufahi or representative, with all audience civil society, SHA, CCDC, a higher education on all of us. Kindly respect, good afternoon everyone.
Good afternoon.
Thanks for the seat and audience permit me. Well, this space I'm going to represent for God be chance all of us have a safe spirit. Be careful and thanks too much. And I appreciate for founder, then I stand and do up all construction, this institution as a grace then let continue. By director with the structure, continue provide us and prepare all these plays to save us. Let's find our technique, ability, soft skill, and as ability skill, as English ability. I would like to express my sincere and profound appreciation to the management, instructor, and staff of Sehobo Center for providing us with opportunity to complete the English course. Throughout the duration of the program, we benefit greatly from a well-organized curriculum, many professional teaching methods, supportive learning environment. The instructor demonstrated exceptional dedication, patient expertise with significantly enhance our understanding and confidence in using the English ability. This course has not only strengthened my media skill, but has also contributed possibility to our personal and professional development. In a lecture that we laid before, I would like to respectfully express my sincere apology to the management, structure, and staff of the Sehobo Center for any inconvenience or shortcomings that may have occurred during 6 months studying English ability in Sehobo Center. We truly appreciate your passion, guidance, and understanding the program, and we are grateful for the valuable learning experience provided. Audience, excelentísima, I truly appreciate for your supportive and this is my final speech. Thank you.